Afternoon folks. So what we have here is Technics pitch fader for the Mark II, the plug-in version with PCB, bracket, wiring loom. Nice and easy to replace your pitch fader. Unfortunately these have been discontinued by Technics and have been for a number of years. However, all is not lost, we can make one. So what we have is a pitch fader, a bracket, the LED spacer, the LED, our own wiring loom, our own PCB, a preset and some screws. So let's begin. Right. Yep, it's alive. So first up we'll solder in the pitch fader. Next I'll put the preset resistor in. So one leg and we'll see if it's straight. No, just needs a little jiggle. Better. Wiring. Right, we'll install some metalwork. Two washers, carefully placed. I'll screw on the end of our screwdriver. LED spacer. And the LED, make sure we put the long leg to the outside. Spin it over. Right, make sure we're centred. Just set this correctly. There we go, all done, ready to install. This will of course need a little tweak perhaps depending on your deck. Currently set 2.7, you may want to set it at 2.875 or you may need to go a little higher. You just have to see how we go. So there we go guys, bye.